Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Frame 316 Media, now powered by NxtStory Studios. And we aim to create as many videos as we can this year, 2026, to help support small business owners in their journey of running their own marketing or running their own content creation. So in this channel, we talk about storytelling, creativity, marketing, the whole nine yards, the fun part of running a business. So today, my topic is one of my favorite. I'm going to talk about YouTube and the question that a lot of business owners are asking. Do I need to have that YouTuber swag or YouTuber vibe to be successful on YouTube? If this is you, keep watching and I have a lot of information for you in today's video. I completely understand it when business owners would tell me that starting my own YouTube channel feels overwhelming. It's not for me. I'm not even good in front of the camera. I don't know if I can speak, eloquently or completely, confident from start to finish. I don't even have the gear. I don't even know how to edit a video. So that mindset of looking at starting your own YouTube channel as something that is really overwhelming, it totally makes sense. I'm with you on that because I've been through that in the early stage of my business career, my entrepreneurship journey. But I also want to be clear about one thing, something that I've learned the hard way. YouTube does not reward polished video. When I say polished videos, like awesome audio, spectacular lights, that super confident person speaking in front of the camera. What YouTube rewards is clarity. So for me, I have discussed this even in some of my previous videos. I'm an advocate of clarity. I think clarity is the ground zero of everything that we are supposed to be doing. Whether you want to be a business owner, you want to be a teacher, you want to be an engineer, whatever your goal is in life, clarity holds the key. It's the same with running a business and setting up a YouTube channel. That's the only thing you need. You need to start with clarity in your mind. So before we get into tactics, let's reset the goal. The goal is not to become a creator. The goal is not to go viral. The goal is not to perform. The goal is to become discoverable, trustworthy, helpful. If you approach YouTube from that perspective, life becomes simpler. Believe me. Okay, I have a few tips that you can start using in case you decide jumping in on YouTube after watching this video. My first tip is start with questions your customers already ask. The easiest way to start YouTube is to stop being a marketer and start being a problem solver. All the people that you want to reach out to, your potential customers, they definitely have a problem that only you can solve in a way that only you are able to. Look at that scenario. Imagine if you're an insurance agent. Other insurance agents, your competitors, would probably have different approaches of giving advice, of recommending a product. But it comes from a specific part of their mind, of their heart. And that is something that is unique to all of you as insurance brokers. And if you know the questions that your target audience will ask, and you start answering those questions in the form of a YouTube video, you're up to a good start. Starting here removes the pressure to be creative and replaces it with usefulness. Okay, tip number 2, Keep your first video simple and focused. A common mistake for early YouTubers is trying to explain a lot of things, everything at once. They want to explain their business. They want to explain their process, their philosophy, their story, all in one video. So, of course, if you do it that way, that becomes overwhelming. Why not focus on just one idea per video? You're a real estate agent, right? Why not focus on choosing the right property? And then on your next episode, why proximity matters in choosing your house. And then on your next episode, you talk about buying real property sort of as an investment, although a lot of people already know that it's an investment. But you would probably have some insights to share that is unique coming from you. So one question, one concept, one explanation. Simplicity helps viewers stay engaged. And the most important thing, YouTube would understand what your channel is about. YouTube would understand who you are as a brand. And the recommendation, the proper recommendation would now follow. Would you even ask yourself, after watching videos of Kevin Hart, for example, the next time you go on YouTube, you see all these Kevin Hart videos being recommended, right? It's because YouTube understands what I'm watching, what you're watching. And if your videos are not clear, it will not get recommended, let's say, to people who are trying to buy their next house. If your channel is not clear that you are a real estate brand trying to help future buyers, then people won't see your video. As simple as that. Okay, tip number 3, use what you have before upgrading anything. You do not need to set up a studio to spend $20,000, $30,000 setting up your studio, buying the expensive camera, buying lights, buying a microphone. Whatever you have right now as a small business owners, you have a smartphone. Smartphones are really amazing now. I think your first purchase should be a tripod for your smartphone. So you can put your smartphone, you can talk like this and move your hands. So the idea is most viewers will not really care about your video if it's cinematic or what. They care about what you're talking about on your video, the message, the value that you provide for them. That's what they are after. That's why people are always on YouTube searching for something to solve whatever they have. If they're sad, people would look for entertainment videos, but we are not in that space, right? We are business owners. You want to be visible as a guide. I want to call you a fellow business owners. Imagine yourself as a Jedi master, and a lot of people there are looking for the specific skills that you're able to present as a Jedi master. Tip number 4. Think search first, not viral. One of the most important mindset shifts for business owners is to look at YouTube as search engine. It's owned by Google, so it's a search engine. So your video should be designed to be found, not just scrolled past. Use clear titles. Avoid hiding words. Be clear with the description. It's as simple as having a conversation with the person in front of you. If you want to be authentically engaged in a conversation with anyone, your friend, your parents, your relatives, you keep things simple. You don't start being poetic. So no fluff, no hidden agenda, no hidden words. Same with YouTube. Start talking naturally. Let it flow naturally. Tip number 5, create a realistic posting rhythm. Consistency matters on YouTube, but you don't have to force yourself to keep posting every Monday if it's not realistically possible at your schedule. You can probably start posting at least once a month. And then when you're more comfortable, start going for twice a month. And then you can stay at twice a month video for a year, practically until you learn what we call the bulk production, meaning you schedule a day in a week, let's say Saturday, and then you record 3 to 4 videos. So you don't sit down, record a video and upload tomorrow, upload the other day. mass production helps busy business owners because you find one specific day to record multiple videos and put it on your hard drive and then distribute it with realistic rhythm because it protects you from burnout. You don't want to be burned out by doing YouTube videos. You still want to be present, and fully capable in front of your clients, right? Tip number 6, let your personality show without overperforming. So a lot of people feel awkward in front of a camera because they try to be someone else, not themselves. They think they need to sound energetic or charismatic. If you're not energetic on your first few videos, so be it. If you're not charismatic on your first few videos, you're not really charismatic in your first few videos, so be it. Just show up as you are, whoever you are. If you stutter, you would, yeah, that's intentionally, I stuttered. But if you stutter, you would just find yourself, let's say on the 20th video, that you're more comfortable with continuous sentences, not stuttering. Because definitely, with everything, with practice, everything would evolve. It will eventually become better. But the idea is, for every video that you do, let your true personality show. Do not pretend. Authenticity builds familiarity, and familiarity builds trust. This matters more than reach those likes. Start with an authentic voice. The authentic voice is you and no one else. Tip number 7, use YouTube across your marketing. So your YouTube video should not live in isolation. When I say live in isolation, you spend a lot of effort recording the video, then you upload it, then you do nothing. Your YouTube video can be a blog post. It can be a reference to a multiple social media captions. You can cut it, having short clips. And you can come up with email content to send cold emails. Imagine the possibilities just because you decided to work on your YouTube video. So YouTube video is not a one-off thing. That's why I encourage a lot of people, jump on YouTube. You will eventually need to be on other social media channels. You should be on YouTube, right? Because it helps your Facebook, it helps your Instagram, eventually it helps your TikTok, eventually it helps your LinkedIn. So why not start with YouTube? YouTube becomes the foundation, not an extra task. Starting is the hardest part. Most business owners already have enough knowledge to start their own YouTube channel. What they lack is not expertise. It's a starting point. What you all need is a starting point. So start. When you focus on helping instead of performing, YouTube becomes a practical extension of your business, not a distraction from it. You don't need to do everything right. You just need to do the next right thing. If you need help building a YouTube strategy that aligns with your goals, with your resources, with your business, that's what we do at NxtStory Studios. You can reach out to us on our website, add a comment below. Whatever year you're watching this, YouTube would remain uber relevant for you as a business owner. Because showing up on YouTube isn't about being everywhere. It's showing up where it matters. So that's my video for today. If you find this video helpful, please support our channel, subscribe, like, share, add some comments. Let's engage in the comment section. You can ask me, drop me an email. I am always checking my YouTube channel, so you would definitely get an answer from me. So again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you on our next videos.